Stop begging people to subscribe to your channel. No, but really, like, just stop. Stop being desperate for views. Stop being desperate for likes. Stop being desperate for comments. This is truly the dark side of creating a YouTube channel. You know, as a woman, especially if you're a woman content creator or YouTuber, like, the number one thing we should never do is chase anything or anyone. It is not in our power, and it's going against our primitive traits as women. We are designed by God to sit here and be attracted to. We attract the things that we want in our lives, from the man that we want to marry, to the kids we have, to the careers that we sought out to be. You put your intentions out there into the world and allow and surrender for it to come. That is our superpower as women. So when you go to chase your subscribers, it goes against who you are as a woman, especially if you're trying to start a YouTube channel. Chasing is not your skill. It's the thing that we have been programmed to think, that we got to chase that man, or we got to go after, chase your dreams. Worst advice ever. Stop chasing and allowing. Stop doing and accept. Stop chasing your dreams and just surrender to them. These are the biggest things that I had to learn as a YouTuber, is that when I stopped chasing, that's when I saw the success. In fact, I just told my husband that the other day, like, I just don't chase people. I don't chase the opportunities. I put my intentions out there. I let God know, like, hey, this is what I would like. And I surrender, because that is our superpower as women. And when you stop chasing the subscribers, when you stop chasing the followers, when you stop chasing your dream, all of a sudden you become a magnetic to it. I don't know how it works, but that's just how God is, right? We don't question it. We just believe in it. So if you're ready to just live that soft girl life of just sitting back and allowing a space where you can communicate your dreams and you can communicate your intentions, and you have to do the work, but you don't have to chase your subscribers. You don't have to chase people. You become a magnet to the people who love you just because you're you. That is what I teach and help women do here on YouTube, to create and start monetizing their passion and inspiring and impacting the world around them. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check out the link on my page. It'll take you through the steps that I took to get started to not chase, but attract millions of people all the time on my YouTube channel. I'll see you there.